Your sump pump is critically important in keeping your basement dry. Failure of your sump pump results in a flooded basement, just what you're trying to avoid. Failure can occur for one of three reasons. The pump has failed, the pump can't keep up with the amount of water, or the power goes out. Basement System's Triplesafe sump pump system is the most advanced protection in the world and addresses all three of these concerns. The Triplesafe system has three high-quality, efficient pumps. First, a primary pump set at the lowest level, which handles the pumping under normal circumstances. In the event that this first pump fails, a second pump set a bit higher in the Triplesafe system will take over and pump the water out. In the event the first pump cannot keep up with the flow of water from a very heavy rain, then both the primary and secondary pumps will operate at the same time, pumping double the amount of water for the time necessary. In the event that the power fails, or if a circuit breaker is tripped, then the water will rise to the third pumping system, an UltraSump battery-operated backup pumping system. This pump will operate off of the battery power supply and charging system included and pump the water out, while an alarm tells you this third pump is operating. All this equipment will not fit in a standard round sump liner, so the Triplesafe system has a specially designed twin liner configuration. Many other basement systems' world-class features are standard with the Triplesafe system, including clean pump stands to keep the pumps out of any silt and sediment that may wash into the sump liner, an attractive two-piece airtight lid designed for easy access while keeping moisture and odors and insects out of your basement and preventing objects from falling in, a specially designed floor drain to drain water from any plumbing leaks in your home, which lets water down but damp air cannot come up into your basement, and a water watch alarm system, which sounds off like a smoke detector before your floor gets wet in the highly unlikely event the water rises above all pump operating ranges. The Triplesafe sump pump system is for homeowners who want no worries with the highest possible protection against basement flooding.